Good morning friends, you are most welcome to Think Ice channel. Today we are going to discuss Practicing Anthropology by MAAN IGNOU, and our topic is Participation in Civil Societies and the State. Let us begin the topic. First we will discuss introduction part, then we will discuss cutting edge in anthropology, then we will discuss practicing anthropology, then we will discuss challenges of collaborating with anthropologists, then we will discuss paradigm of participation. Then we will discuss what does participation means, in which we will discuss degree and form of participation, levels of participation. After that we will discuss working in civil society and the state, in which we will discuss how to start up civil society organization as a charitable trust, as a society under the Society Registration Act 1860 like NGO, license under Section 25 of the Companies Act 1956. At the last we will discuss summary. Learning objectives are, after going through this unit you will be able to appreciate anthropological knowledge as an important skill which is valuable in the activities for anthropo or people centered development. Understand the role of anthropologists in promoting people-centered public policies and civil society organizations, and participate effectively and efficiently as an anthropologist in the public action. Let us begin the introduction part. In order to enable anthropologists to put anthropology into practice more efficiently and effectively in an interdisciplinary manner, this unit is planned to provide understanding about varied role and relevance of anthropological knowledge. It unpacks the knowledge and contribution of anthropologists to see how the practice of bottom-up approach can influence policies and practices. In this direction, the unit focuses on three issues: anthropologist participation in the policies and civil society organizations, anthropological skills and perspectives for effective and efficient participation. And it also suggests the ways and means to start one's own organization for uses of anthropological skills in the Indian context. Public policy means a governing text or a set of rules that are successful in binding people to its mandates when actually practiced in a social field. Public action means action for better access and utilization of public benefits. It can be led by a group of people or by the state or even both. Next heading is cutting edge anthropology. Cutting edge in anthropology. Every discipline is respected and dedicated to truth seeking. Disciplines have an important political role in representing, reproducing, and promoting the discipline within and beyond the academy. Mills 2003. Anthropology, with its scientific rigor grounded in the society as a real life laboratory, is often centered around people's choice or alternate solution. This strategic design of anthropological discipline makes it holistic and allows liberty to use the best of science and social science approaches. In professions, often the discipline, by its specialized skills, consciously or unconsciously, create knowledge hegemony and exclusion. Success of the discipline is not in creating specialized knowledge and skills, but in putting people's knowledge in the center stage. According to C.P. Snow, the scientist, as the professor of foresight, might neglect to account for the condition under which that foresight might be preserved in the political or administrative arena. In this regards, anthropology as a discipline possesses a cutting edge due to its priority over people knowledge as a real life laboratory. The best example of anthropology in practice I remember is of my doing anthropology in 1989 from University of Delhi, Delhi. Now my classmates are working in academia within the university management institute, NGOs, the government, with corporate houses, lawyers, Indian Army, and human resource managers in hotel industries or operating their own enterprises. One common constituent of accomplishment behind every member is the knowledge of anthropology. Anthropology as a discipline attempts to understand others with bottom-up approach. Anthropology makes it easy to understand others, extract from personal communication with classmates. The high degree of priority that lay at the people's knowledge makes anthropology pivotal today. Anthropology as a discipline allows varied domain knowledge to participate and practice in the daily life. According to American Anthropologist Association, a prestigious association of anthropologists across the world, anthropological study and training provide the knowledge, skills and tools to work with people, study the past and shape the future. Today's anthropologists do not just work in the exotic locations. Good enough in the article Anthropology in the 20th Century and Beyond, wrote that anthropology covers virtually all facets of human existence and human history from its very beginning. Significant advances have been made on many fronts, often involving the interdisciplinary cooperation not only among the subfields of anthropology but with the other scientific and humanistic disciplines as well. Perhaps the most important contribution to public understanding and social policy has come from the demonstration within with increasing sophistication that cultural differences are accounted for by history and ecology rather than biology. 2002. Examples across the world suggest that technologies, market, and even states fail to deliver if it is not able to understand the worldview, people's perspective. As a corollary, anthropologists have established themselves in large corporate firms designing market strategy policymakers, bridging the gap between the people and program in public system, and working in the civil society organizations to advocate equitable distribution of development outcomes and options in the society.